I'm Bob. I'm here today to introduce the Windsor Versamatic vacuum. Versamatic is a dual motor vacuum that's available in 14 and 18-inch widths. The wand and onboard tools allow the user to meet vacuuming needs of multiple surfaces and areas. Let's begin our review of the Versamatic by taking a look at the body of the vacuum. In the back of the vacuum, you'll find the cord release. One of the Karcher systems that simplifies operation and training are the color-coded touch points. Anything that is in yellow, such as the cord and the foot pedal, is a point for daily operation. Anything that is in light gray is for maintenance. Beneath the back cover, you will find the vacuum bag and the secondary filter. The knob located on the bottom of the housing releases it from the base for maintenance and can also be used as a canister vacuum. In the front, you will find the on-off switch, crevice tool, detailed wand, and exhaust filter that will need to be changed occasionally. So sticking with Karcher's color-coded touch points, you're going to notice that there's a manual height adjustment. Remember, it's always important to make sure you start on 4 and work our way down. You're going to notice there's 2 lights on the top of the housing. The brush OK light is a good indication that the brush is set correctly. The brush check light, if that comes on, it tells you that there's an obstruction that has occurred. Simply turn the unit off, remove the obstruction, and turn the unit back on to reset it. To remove the brush strip, simply push on the gray button and remove the bearing cap. On the bottom of the base, you will find there's a yellow access door that allows the operator to quickly and easily remove any obstructions on the vacuum system. To release the cord, you simply take the lower hook and take it to a 12 o'clock position. Then you can actually take the cord off. To access the bag and the motor filter, simply pull back on the yellow lever to remove the rear cover. The bag and the motor filter are located back here in the back. The housing is designed that if the bag and the motor filter are not in place, the rear cover cannot be reinstalled. Now let's take a look at the Versamatic Plus. If you're already using our popular sensor vacuum, but looking to incorporate a 2-motor upright vacuum into your cleaning process, then the Versamatic Plus is a perfect choice because it utilizes the same vacuum bag as the sensor, which means you only have to inventory one bag to fit both pieces of equipment. Now let's start by looking at the back of the vacuum. Like the Versamatic Plus also features Karcher's color-coded touch points. Anything that's in yellow is something the operator needs to be trained on for daily operation. Anything that's in light gray will either be for maintenance and or periodic service. A great example of that would be with the yellow cord or the yellow foot pedal. Now located right above the yellow foot pedal is a gray knob which will allow you to separate the body from the base. Now once you do that, you can actually use the body as a canister vacuum to go vacuum various areas in your facility. Now unlike the Versamatic Plus actually has onboard tool storage. Now let's talk about the front of the unit. Now looking at the front of the machine, first you're going to notice the detail wand, bag full indicator, on-off switch, exhaust filter. Now to access your vacuum bag and your secondary filter, simply pull up on the lever and this will allow the housing to come off. As you can see, we use the same bag as we do on the sensor. Now a little tip for you, if you want to pull your secondary filter out, simply lift up on it a little bit and it'll slide right out for you. Now the nice thing about the Versamatic and Versamatic Plus, if the bag or secondary motor filter is not in place, you cannot physically put the cover back into place. Now as far as the base of the units on the Versamatic and Versamatic Plus, they're exactly the same. The 2 brush lights will be triggered exactly the same way, and the brush strip will also be removed in the same fashion. So there you go. Now you know everything you need to know to successfully operate and maintain the Versamatic and Versamatic Plus upright vacuum.